Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Decay, and I'm just coming to talk to you guys to show you how I got this makeup look. It's mainly I want to do it for Pride Month, as you already know. But anyway, so I did. Sorry if I keep like my nose is running, and I don't have any tissues by me, so it will be. But yeah, so this is what I came up with. I have not done a makeup tutorial Lord knows how long, but I just wanted to throw a disclaimer that I did not finish the makeup tutorial because my battery died. And y'all, I was not gonna like stop doing what I was doing because I didn't know what I was doing. So this is what I have. Small story short, so yeah, so if you're wondering what lashes I have on Chic Beauty Vogue lashes. They're actually on, but the packaging is really cute. These are actually my lashes. These are actually the longest lashes that I have, mainly because they're 25mm lashes, and yeah, this is literally the only long lashes that I have in the lash line. So if you are interested, I will put that link down below for you guys. But let's get started in this. I don't even know if I can call this a tutorial. I already started on my brows just for the time of this video because I just really don't want this video to be long. I haven't done makeup tutorials in so long, mainly because like my skin was so bad that I just didn't want to make a makeup tutorial. I was like, I didn't feel comfortable with you guys being like close up on my skin when my skin was looking like super crazy. But anyway, so I wanted to create this makeup look only because like I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like everyone deserves to be treated equal, and I am so happy that it is Pride Month. So I just wanted to show support and attempt to make a makeup look for you guys. Yeah, so I just basically have some concealer on my eyes. Sorry, I'm like squinting because I can't see myself in the viewfinder because I'm blind and I don't have my contacts in right now. So yes, I just haven't done a makeup tutorial in a long time. So yeah, so I am going to list all the products that I'm using down below in the description bar for you guys, only because I really don't feel like showing it in this video. Yeah, so update on my life. So I am currently in the process of trying to make more videos for you guys, especially locks. Now that I have locks, I know I look a little bit crazy in the roots, but we're just gonna ignore that for the sake of this video for a second. But yeah, so right now I'm in the process of just trying to figure out what direction I want to do with my YouTube channel. I've been doing YouTube for so long now, and honestly, I'm just not running out of ideas. I still love YouTube. It's so much fun to me, and I do it for a hobby. And I'm just really thankful for you guys, like that you guys even like watch my videos and stuff. So I just want to say thank you. Yeah, so I'm just so nervous. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Okay guys, so that pretty much sums up this video. Please be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos from your girl. Also, if you want to see more makeup content from me, let me know down below. I love listening to you guys. Again, these lashes are Chic Beauty lashes. These are the most dramatic, the longest lashes that I have, and probably the only dramatic lashes I will ever have are these, because they're like super dramatic, which is why I wanted to wear these for this makeup look. But again, thank you so much for supporting my channel, guys. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, you guys know what I always say. Deuces!
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave.